Dear students, today's class, we are going to see about the open system architecture and an introduction to information security management framework. So in the open system architecture, so it provides the security patterns it is going to provide. And also, um, it gives a new technical guidance, and also existing guidelines also it is maintained. For example, already some guidance has been followed, the same thing is maintained, as well as new things also followed. And here it gives a high visualized approach. So it also go with the modular architecture. So in the security models, we have, server, desktop, mobile devices, and DMS are the different components. You have to secure that one. And also you have to reuse these security patterns. Whenever, we go with any security patterns, you have to reuse that one. So a design pattern, actually we just give a design about the security. We are going to provide the template how to solve the problem. So for example, in the object oriented design patterns, we shows the relationship and interaction between classes or object, how the security is maintained, so that you are just providing these are all the classes has to be used and the object has to be used. They solve computational problem rather than the design problem. So the security patterns in OSA. Okay. So we just have a design patterns. It is translated directly to the security patterns. So we just have a design view about the security. The best practices we are following for the security maintenance. Okay. So even in all the design pattern, which is the best one, that we are going to use it. Okay. So when we see the NIST 853 as well as ISO 27001, so that and all gives best practices that describes the technical organization as well as the controls. So it is like similar to a logo building blocks. So when we give any organization, a logo has been given. So that gives some meaning and also some standards. It represents some standard. The same way, security also, we have the building blocks. Okay. So it provides some standard, that is, nobody will lose any data. So, and we apply the better control. So it OSA landscape, it protects the component. Every component of the module has been protected. Okay. So it provides a corporate security architecture. Okay. And it gives a pattern. Okay. It gives the patterns. Even when we give outsource some project, even then it is the security is maintained. Okay. So it is a common, creative common share alike. Okay. So OSA is in license in accordance with the creative common share alike. Okay. So it's everyone have to follow the same thing. Okay. So mainly we just concentrate with the secure system. Okay, our daily lives has to be secure in the OSA. Okay.